Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. So we always do, this is going to be our weekly watch list video highlighting the 5 plays we're watching as well as a market breakdown. 5 plays this week, first one being Oxy, second one being Coin, third one being AMB, fourth one being Carvana, and then the fifth one being Roblox. Hope you guys all have a great green week and look forward to trading with you all. Thank you. So getting things started as we do with every other video, first thing that we're going to be doing is breaking down the market. How are we doing that? It's going to be using SPY, which is going to be a market proxy for the S&P 500. So looking at it from what we have seen in the past week and in the past general trend is clearly we're in a downtrending market here. Almost hit a bear market or close to a bear market. I do believe at one point it was at 20.01%, which does constitute as a bear market. However, we quickly reversed off of that. So watching this here in the coming week, still continued weakness. You can see on Friday we closed up here 2.39%. Still an overall weakness on the market here. There is no clear reversal, and I don't know if it was Friday the 13th or what it was on Friday, but the volume has fallen off here. So we're trading 99 million shares here versus what we've been trading lately, around 140 to 160 million. Watching this here, still is no clear reversal. Yes, we did get a 2.4% bounce, but that doesn't constitute a reversal yet. For me, personally, I would not see a reversal region up until this 430 level. Again, every pop that you can see that we've had since this downtrend has been sold off. Pop up here, sell off. Pop up, sell off. Pop up here, and then sell off. So until we get a break of this structure and form some net new highs, not seeing much here on SPY. I personally need to see this through 430 for any potential to the upside here. Until then, still a lot of weakness. Now, as for levels to watch here that are closer to the current price level, watching this 405.20 region and mainly up here into 410. 410 was where we formed this bounce here on 224 before pushing up into 460. However, still weakness here. So 410 going to be key, 405.20 as well. 2 levels for you guys to watch within the coming week to take actionable levels upon. First trade of the week, and first one that we're watching is going to be ticker symbol Oxy. And for those of you who have been watching the market lately, common theme is going to be secular strength within the energies, within the oil sector. That is where the strength has been. That is the common theme that we have seen all of 2022. So watching this one here, nearing highs again. It did report an earnings with an EPS that wasn't the best. You can see this quarter on 1.48. EPS this time at negative 0.15. Market really unfazed by that. They did have a decent earnings release. EPS just a little off. So technical wise, really watching this through 64.47 area, 64.50 for a cut move and advancement up into that 67.79 area. We tested this region here on, what was this, 5.5. We broke out here on 5.6, trapping those breakout buyers here all the way down into 57. Now we're trying to retest here, reclaim, and break out through the highs. So watching this one through 64.50 this week for a move into 67.79. Really liking this setup if we can confirm. Friday trading 127% volume, up 8% on the day. Watching this one for a follow through and continuation to the upside within the coming week. The second one that we've watched lately closely, one that we've traded as well, one that's been trading a lot of volume and has been incredibly volatile is going to be Coinbase, ticker symbol Coin. If you guys have been watching the market lately, a lot of volatility on Coinbase, a lot of volatility in general with Bitcoin, all of those Bitcoin-related stocks like MSTR, Riot, Mara, whatever it may be. As for Coinbase, this is a clear defined downtrend pattern here, trading massive amounts of volume here. Look at this influx of volume that we have been trading here lately. What I want to see is a move and hold through of this 70.37 resistance, which was that support here on 510 before this big gap down post ER. I do think if we can reclaim this level and form a cut move up into this 82.54 region, that will be on close watch here. Breaks above that, does have potential up into this $100 region here. You can see the volume here. This is obvious. Anytime you get a big miss on earnings, you expect to see a lot of volume traded. But we're trying to make this cut move here. If we do hold above this 70.37 region, I do think we can test up into 82.50. If we get strength above that on abnormal volume to continue, potential to see 100 here on this. One thing to note about this is it does have incredibly high inflated premiums. They were pushing over 250% here on Friday, so that's something to note. The higher the premiums, the bigger the move, or the bigger the market makers expect the stock to move. If the stock isn't as volatile as the market makers are pricing in, a lot of times you will see decay on the option chain. So again, watching this one through 70.37 for a move here up into 82.54 within the coming week. Third one has been on the watch list previously. Still watching and waiting here, being patient on AMD for that $100 region. You can see we almost broke out here on high volume on 5.4, failed to break, traded the highest volume all year, and guess what? Trapped these breakout buyers here, pushed down, shook them out, still waiting on that 100 break with confirmation. That will be the level to watch here. It's the level that everyone in the market's watching. Everyone's eyeing that level, market makers, institutional investors, retail investors. 100 has been the key level on AMD for a long time. So if we get a breakout through here, expecting a move and continuation up into 110, this consolidation is healthy here, breaking this downtrend pattern. See if we can get some accumulation and break of 110 here within the coming week for continued upside on this particular ticker. The fourth one, another strength move. This is lately has been the first time where we've seen somewhat of strength in those high growth names. But what good does strength do if you're down 80-90% on the year? It's just something to note. They have experienced some strength here lately. And that came here on Thursday on 5/12. A lot of volume being traded. A lot of those high growth names that have been beat down finally getting some relief bounce pressure. They are going to be on watch here for continuation. So watching particularly Carvana here, trading extremely abnormal volume here on 5/12. Potential reversal here, liking this buying pressure off of that 28.35 region. I do think we can see some continued upside here in Carvana. First sign of life here on this one, dictated by volume. Strong support here below at that 22.16 region. Personally, watching this one above this 45 level. If we do get a move through 45, we'll be eyeing this one close for a move up into 50 here this coming week. 45 is key. That's going to be the level that I'm going to be watching. We rejected it here with volume on 5/12, rejected it here on Friday 5/13 with volume as well. Through 45, really liking the setup here for a move up into 50 and above that at 54.80. So Carvana on close watch, just waiting on that 45 breakout. ROLEX, similar theme. Another one that's been beat down, whether this be AMD, whether this be Carvana. All of these had the similar theme. Beat down on the daily. Finally getting some bids coming in lately on high volume. Potential first sign of a reversal here on these high growth names. Watching this one here, ROLEX holding through this 30.88 region on strength, closing up here on Friday up 15.36%. I do think we can get a move up here into this 36 region. First level I would like to see break is, let's draw this as a visualization, is the high where we got here on 5.4 before this big breakdown here into 21. So let's see if we can get a move through 35 here on this one for a cup move. You guys can see this cup trying to form. Let's see if we can get a move here through 35 for a cup move here up into this 42.94 region. So first signs of life in these high growth names that have been beat down, these high beta names. Going to be watching these for a continuation within the coming week. With that being said, that wraps up our watch list video for the week. If you did enjoy this video, if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. If you are interested in getting our private course alerts and more, feel free to check out simplified-investing.com today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Thank you.